Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola One 5G Ace to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both. Following that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, download this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now do exactly the same on Motorola. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and OK. From here, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola and Receive at the bottom of an Android. Finally, click on all of those dots from all of those categories to pick all of your files, or just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one. Then click on Send next to selected. If you see this kind of pop-up, choose the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window. Finally, select Got it on your Motorola and pick one of those connection ways. In order to scan the QR code, you need to select this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Click on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your camera at the code. You can also pick this method and input this key over here. When you finished, connect your devices by tapping on Receive. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!